And welcome to our YouTube channel, friends. And today we are back with another video for all of you. So today's topic is, what is IPO? What does IPO means? There are a lot of IPOs coming in the market nowadays, and many of you might not know what IPO actually means. So what happens in an IPO? Whenever a private company decides to go public, it offers its shares to the general public, and that's what we call an IPO is. It means initial public offering, means issuance of common shares to the public for the first time ever. Before that, the shares were exclusive only for the some partners of the company. Now they will be available for the general public, and now general public can invest in that share and become the partner of the company. So let's take a case study to understand this. Mr. Suresh wants to start a business of manufacturing snakes. For that he needs rupees 2 crore, so he took that out from his savings. By the God's grace and his hard work, business went on to the path of exponential growth. Mr. Suresh started a business of snacks. For that he invested 2 crore rupees from his personal savings. Might be belonging to a very rich family or might be having a very good job. That's why he had such good savings. And after the hard work, his business was grown exponentially. After the 2 years of inception of his business, he wanted to invest more money in his business, so he took a loan from bank of 3 crore rupees. Now that what we call a debt is. So he has taken 3 crore rupees as debt from the bank, on which he has to pay interest. Okay, friends, again after 5 years, he felt to invest more, so he asked his friends to invest in his business. First, he invested 2 crore rupees from his personal savings, then he took out 3 crore rupees from a bank as a loan. Then, after the 5 years, means after the 7 years of inception, he felt that there is more investment needed in his business as his business was growing good. So he asked his friends to invest in his business. All of the friends saw his business and saw that there is good growth in his business, so they decided to invest rupees 10 crore rupees in his business. After 10 years of that, Suresh company worth more than rupees 100 crore. So all of the investment that was made in his company was aggregated to 15 crore rupees. But now after the 10 year, the market capitalization of his private company is rupees 100 crore, and he was in need of more money to expand his business. Obviously anybody would like to expand a business in which he invested 15 crore and now ended up having a market capitalization of rupees 100 crore rupees. So what will he do now? So he went to one of his friend who had knowledge of finance. His friend suggested to issue IPO and make the company public. When Suresh needed money, first he invested from his savings, then he took money from the bank as a loan, then he asked his friends to invest, and after that, when he needed more money and his company was doing good and he had a good market capitalization, he decided to go for an IPO. Means now he'll take money from all of us, from all the general public who doesn't know Suresh. We all know his company and what business he do, but we don't know him. So his friend suggested to issue IPO and make the company public and take investment from general public and list the company on stock exchange for trading of shares. So now that's what IPO means. He'll take money from the general public, he'll take money from all of us. Suresh did that, and now he owns a company of rupees 1000 crore rupees. He take the IPO, he invested that money proceedings from the IPO in his business. Now his company is worth 1000 crore of rupees. So that's what an IPO means, friends. Now let's understand the some main terminology which belongs to the IPO. So first terminology is price band. Means the price band means the how much money for a share you have to pay. Like the price band is 40 to 50 rupees, means you can pay either 40 or 50 or any amount in between you want to pay for one share. There's a price band decided before the issue comes public. Fixed pricing is another method in which the price is predetermined and declared by the company itself. They don't give you any band, they just give you one price on which you have to buy the share. Book building means then the issue price is decided through association of the shares amongst the public based on the weighted average demand of the shares. The final issue price is fixed. Then the face value, difference between the face value and offer price is the premium. So if someone is offering share for 50 rupees, might be his face value is 1 rupees and 49 rupees is premium, so it will go into the company's equity as share premium. So these were the some main terminology belonging to the IPOs. We have discussed what IPO is. Now one more terminology which all of you might have heard about when you are listening or when you get the news that this or this bank is the BRLM, yani ki book running lead manager. So BRLMs or simply lead managers are independent financial institution appointed by the company going public. Companies may appoint more than one lead manager to manage big IPOs. Their main responsibilities are to initiate the IPO processing, help the company in roadshow, create draft offer documents, get it approved by SEBI and the stock exchange, help the company to list share at the stock market. So these are the some terminologies belonging to IPO. Now, if you have doubt how to apply for an IPO, there are two ways. First is offline and second is online. Offline way is you go to your broker, take a form, fill that form and submit it to the bank, and the bank will block the money in your account, and on the allotment date, if issue is allotted to you, then the money will be deducted from your account and shares will be credited to your demat account. If it doesn't happen, money will again be available in your account for use. And the second way is the online one through UPI IDs. All you have to do is go to your demat account, go to the IPO section, apply for the IPO, pay the money and get the IPO in your demat account. So that's it for today, guys. That was all the talk about the IPO. If you have any queries, you can comment. If you liked the video, you can comment and tell us. Please do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much, guys, once again.